I used to have a very strong Chinese accent.
Hey, my name is Henna from Egypt.
Hello, my name is Preeti and I'm originally from India.
I was born and raised in Mexico.
And I've been getting a lot of requests lately to do a video to explain why or how I got rid of my Chinese accent.
I came from Egypt a few years ago, and there's always that difficult time when you are still sort of pronouncing things wrong, and I needed to get through that faster just because I wanted to do so much better in my life.
I've always wanted to speak with a real American accent.
The only trouble I had was when it came to pronunciation.
I used to have a pretty thick and I guess typical Mexican accent.
I've been working to perfect my standard American accent for a while now.
I used to think that just by living in the US I would pick it up, and when I saw that it didn't really happen, I started to look around for ways to get rid of my accent.
For any of you guys out there who have an accent, I'm going to share with you exactly how I did it.
I've been using it for about 2 months now, and everybody is surprised at my quick improvement.
Nobody ever asks me to repeat things, which is a huge thing that I faced when I first started speaking English.
I started looking online and I came across this course that basically promised to teach me all the important basics of how to speak with a proper American accent.
It taught me how the long and short vowels should be, how to link words together, and it gives you some really good exercises and special tricks too.
This is what worked for me and I want to share it with you guys.
And I'm really sure it would have needed much more time, and I would have taken much longer to improve my accent if I had not started working with the course.
Obviously, it definitely worked for me.
I'm very happy with this course. I have told all my friends about it.
I think I've improved a lot.
I suggest that you guys do yourself a favor and check out the course.
Definitely check it out if you are having a little bit of trouble with the accent.
I do think that it works. It works for me, and I think that it'll work for you.
Take care and good luck with your accents.